Hey there, YouTube community. Thanks a lot for tuning in to another installment of My Skydio and Me. This is episode whatever that says, and I'm calling it the Mile of Terror. And the reason why I'm calling it that is because today I'm going to be trying to fly my Skydio 2 for the very first time using the beacon, not in a wide open, totally clear area, and not in the winter time when there aren't any leaves on the trees, because if you happen to catch my episode number 3 of this show, you'll know that I've had extremely poor luck trying to use the beacon not in wide open areas. Today I'm going to be trying to take my motorized mountain bicycle. I'll be riding to the main road and back, which is about a mile. It is not all wide open and clear. Some of it is, some of it isn't. And by the end of this episode, I really am hoping I have two things. One, I'm really hoping that I will have some amazing video to add to the vlogosphere of cool Skydio 2 videos. But the second thing I'm really hoping to have is hoping to still have a drone, because that is not a guarantee, even with this amazing piece of technology, the Skydio 2. Will that be the outcome to this video? Stay tuned and let's find out together.
Flying camera outside in the breeze. We're bobbing and dodging round everything with ease. Unconventional invention and adventure. Come and see my Skydio and me.
Okay, I'm ready to do this. I'm really hoping that this is going to turn out not badly. That's very cool. Let's do this. All right. super pleased because the Skydio didn't crash, and I was actually, my adrenaline is like flying super. My adrenaline is like, because I'm watching my screen on my phone and seeing that it's pretty far away in a couple spots, but oh my God, that is cool. I can't believe it didn't crash. So I guess we know the outcome to this video, that that not only did I get an okay, I think some decent shots, I have to go and check it out, but also I still have a drone. Yes! So if you want to see more experimentation like this, or check out my new videos when I make them, now that I have the courage and reassurance that maybe I can make them and it's going to be okay, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this, please like it. I know that I'm liking it. So anyway, thank you very much for tuning in to another episode of My Skydio and Me. Stay tuned for some other videos in the future.